Hey, can you guess how many numbers can divided by 42 perfectly without leaving a remainder? So let's find out. 42 is just another number or something special. So first, what are factors? So factors are numbers that divide exactly with another number without leaving remainder. So we are looking for all the numbers that completely divide 42. So we'll start with 1. So 42 divided by 1 is 42. Now it's an even number, so we can go with 2 as well. 21. Now sum of 42, 4 plus 2 is 6. It can be divisible by 3 as well. 21. Now it cannot be divisible by 4 or 5 because for 5 it's had to be and with 0 or 5. Now 42 divided by 6 is 7 and 42 divided by 7 is 6. Now we reverse it. 42 divided by 21 gives 3. Sorry, here is 14. So first we'll divide it by 42 divided by 14 gives 3. 42 divided by 21 gives 2. And 42 divided by 42 gives 1. So the list of factors that completely divide 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42 itself. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.